Is your Android phone microphone suddenly not picking up your voice? Calls, recordings, or videos sound quiet or silent? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix a mic that's not working on your Android phone step by step so you can get back to talking clearly. Let's get started. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. First, you need to make sure that your speaker volume is set to the proper levels. On your Android phone, swipe down from the top right of your phone to access the control center. Make sure the volume button is on and not on vibration or silent mode. Then, slide the volume bar to at least half and test the speaker sound again. Next, you will want to make sure that your sound settings are turned on properly. Go to your settings and tap on sounds and vibrations. Tap on system sound. Make sure your system sound volume is set to at least half the bar here, or you can slide the bar to test the volume of system sound that you want. Next, tap on back, then tap on volume. Again, make sure the levels here are set to a decent enough volume. You can test the volume by sliding each bar and confirming if the volume is okay for each setting. Then go to sound quality and effects. Make sure this option loudness normalization is set to off. This option here prevents sound from suddenly becoming too loud or too quiet when playing media. That means you actually determine the volume of your speakers rather than letting the phone automatically tune the volume for you. Then, under separate app sound, make sure this option is turned off. This option, when turned on, plays media sounds from apps on a separate audio device other than your phone, which is not what you want. Lastly, make sure your phone is not connected to any other audio device, which may cause your audio to not play properly. To check this, under Settings, go to Connections. Tap on Bluetooth. Here you can see the list of your connected Bluetooth devices. Run through them one by one to make sure your phone is not connected to any audio device like speakers or your car's audio system. Once you have made sure of these settings, give your phone a reboot by pressing and holding the volume down and power button at the same time until the screen goes off, and wait for the Android logo to appear. There you go. If you found today's video useful, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Thank you so much. Until the next video, I'm Steph. Take care and bye-bye.